So what you just saw me doing in this previous clip was flocking my own Christmas tree. I used some snow spray that I found at Home Depot, and I was adding my own little snow to my Christmas tree. I did this about 2 years ago and I liked the results, so I wanted to incorporate it in my tree this year. It is very easy to do. It's just you literally spray it, let it dry, and it kind of looks like there's a little bit of snow on your tree. I'm not going to do much talking for the rest of this video either. I just want to kind of let you guys know where I got certain things from. Most of my ornaments, I got them from TJ Maxx, Target, Big Lots, and Michaels. The brown shiny ones are from Target. The matte ones with the white little snow are from TJ Maxx. The champagne are from Michaels. And the shimmery rose gold ones that you guys are going to see in a little bit, those are from Big Lots. I also picked up 4 boas to add just a little bit of fullness to my tree and to make it a little bit brighter. I got those white boas from Party City and from Michaels. You can get them at either or. They were about $9.99. And again, the snow spray, you can find it at Home Depot.